Bridging Paradigms Global Training on Mixed Methods Haiba Hiramda Nasidagi Hoduna Chayolani Chumna Chatakadaba International Research Methodology Workshop Program ama Kongmada Leba Standard College ki Auditorium Hall da Houdokhre Standard College Kongmana Southeastern University of Sri Lanka Ulubil RC25 Sociology of Sports Indian Sociological Society New Delhi Amadi Integrated Institute of Disaster Management IITM Tamil Nadu ka punna khusamnaraga pangthokiba International Workshop adu Houdokhre Thoromatu da Standard College Kongbu Principal Professor Mairembam Suresh Singh Impal College ki Principal Dr. Mairembam Chandra Singh Kaksing Kuno College ki Principal Oinam Binoy Singh Department of Sociology Guru Nanak College Tamil Nadu ki Assistant Professor Dr. J. Bennett Rajadurai Integrated Institute of Disaster Management IITM Tamil Nadu ki Founder MD Dr. K. Basudevan Department of Cooperation SRMB CAS ki Research Scholar P. Divagar Amadi Faculty of Arts and Culture Southeastern University of Sri Lanka ki Dean Professor MM Fazil na Mitunglen Singh oina sarugiyaki Thoromga mari leina Wangangloi Singh na haikibada Malem ki hongliba trend asigi matungina Saukat Lamjel la sarugiyaba ngamnaba academic disciplines sing yauna tongan ba cultural perspective sing da research tawagi tangai fadaba lady haiki masina hiram kaya da research tawada khudong chaba piba ngamgani haiki Thoromgi manung sana International Workshop Secretariat Dr. J. Bennett Rajadurai Faculty of Arts and Culture Southeastern University of Sri Lanka ki Dean Professor MM Fazil Lamadi Standard College Kongbu ki Principal Professor Marimbam Suresh ka Memorandum of Understanding MOU maso sign tonaki Thoromgi sarwam oina lairik ahum su fongki program asida maming leraba Mapal Namgi University Singdagi Resource Person Kayana Webinar Yauna Technical Session Singamadi Interactive Session Singda Resource Person Sing Oina Sarugyadana Hiram Kayada Kanana Nagadori